How to delete a message in WhatsApp. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a message in WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on a device. For iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, go to the chat section from the bottom. And here you can see your chat list. Now to delete a message, simply swipe left to the message that you want to delete, and you can see different option here. Click on this three dot. Here click on this delete chat option. Now it is going to ask for the reconfirmation. If you really want to delete this chat permanently or simply want to archive this chat, then click on delete chat to delete it, and the chat will be deleted. That's it. This is how you can delete a message in WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.